Hi, morning everyone. Richard here. So this is the first day of 2022. So we have left 2021. That was yesterday. So this could be my first flight. I'm going to fly off the Mavic 3 in a beautiful beach here. And it was raining this morning, so I couldn't get anything. So now I'm going to try to fly off, and before the storm clouds come back in, and I'll just launch the Mavic 3 up. So you can see the sun guard shield is in front. We'll just fly this out and see how it works. Does it help in shading the sunlight? I like it because it's protruding out and it covers the side of the gimbal. So hopefully give more protection on this. Okay, bring this out. There you go.
Before you run away, I just have to say that you're the only thing that makes me feel alive. I know I've made mistakes, done things I can't erase, but I'd give anything to hold you close tonight. And I don't think I could last one day knowing that you're headed on your way. And I love how you loved me before. I wonder what I was waiting for. But this feeling you don't feel anymore. And now I'm watching you close the door. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Before you run away, I just have to say that my world stops when I look into your eyes. Now watching you cry, I ask myself why. 'Cause I'd give anything just to see you smile. And I don't think I can stand to wait, knowing that you're headed on your way. And I love how you loved me before. I wonder what I was waiting for. But this feeling you don't feel anymore. And now I'm watching you close the door. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. When I say that I will always feel this way, and you know, either way, for I will love you with every day. And I love how you loved me before. I wonder what I was waiting for. But this feeling you don't feel anymore. And now I'm watching you close the door. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Oh, how I love how you love me before. And I love how you loved me before. I wonder what I was waiting for. But this feeling you don't feel anymore. And now I'm watching you close the door. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Oh, how I love how you loved me before.
That's me. Can't see me. Yep, that's it. Bring the camera up. Okay, that's all folks. Just a quick look at the Mavic 3 and just playing around at the beach here. Take some photographs and trying the hood. That you're looking at the hood there. That's how the hood looks like. Right. So that's how the hood looks like, and hopefully I can snapshot this with my camera. And then we'll land this and I'll see you. There you have it, everyone. So this quick look at the Mavic 3 at the beach here. Just having a weekend off. It's a New Year's Day, so I'm trying out the hood as well for the Mavic 3 on the gimbal. So it covers the gimbal and it's kind of flush to the gimbal. So if you worry about getting hit by anything on when it falls down, maybe this one will help a bit. I'm not sure about the sunlight though, but we'll see. So do give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and do subscribe, follow me on my next video, and Happy New Year everyone. So have a nice day, see you, stay safe, bye.